Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs in a poacher pan. Fill the bottom of your pan with about 1 inch of water. Place it on your stovetop and bring that water to a gentle simmer over medium heat. While the water heats, lightly grease each individual egg cup with a small amount of butter or cooking spray to prevent sticking. This simple step ensures your eggs release perfectly. Once your cups are ready, carefully crack 1 egg into each prepared cup. Gently place these filled cups into the simmering water in the poacher pan. Make sure the water level is just below the top of the cups. Cover the pan with its lid and let the eggs cook for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your desired yolk consistency. To check for doneness, the whites should be set and firm, while the yolk remains beautifully runny. Carefully remove the lid. Using a small spoon or spatula, gently lift each perfectly poached egg from its cup. Be mindful not to break the delicate yolk. Serve your delicious poached eggs immediately on your favorite toast, avocado, or as a topping for various dishes. For the best results, always use the freshest eggs you can find. They hold their shape much better. A small splash of white vinegar in the simmering water can also help the egg whites set more quickly and neatly. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with cook times. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly poached eggs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.